Hey everyone, you are on the Proxy-Seller channel. Mark here. In this video, we'll walk through proxy setup in DuoPlus and then demonstrate how to run multiple cloud phone sessions with different proxies and regions. Method 1. Adding a proxy manually. Go to the Proxies tab and click Add. In the Add Proxy window, optionally enter a proxy name, then select a group. In the Proxy Type field, choose the required type. Enter the IP address or domain and port. If the proxy requires authentication, add the username and password. To verify the proxy, DuoPlus uses an IP checker, by default IP2 location. Finally, click Check and Save to validate and save the proxy. Method 2. Batch proxy upload. If you're adding proxies in bulk, click Batch Add. Paste your proxy list, one proxy per line. Supported formats include host:/port, host:/port:/username:/password, and username:/password at host:/port. Select a group and IP checker, then click Check and Confirm to save all valid proxies. Method 3. Assigning a proxy to an existing cloud phone. First, go to the Cloud Phone tab. Find the device with no proxy configured status. Click Initialize Proxy, or open the device settings via the three-dot menu. Inside the Cloud Phone settings, under Network, choose the proxy source. Custom proxy to enter proxy details manually, added proxy to select from previously added proxies, or dynamic proxy if available. Select the proxy, enable proxy DNS if needed, and click Check. DuoPlus requires a SOC 5 proxy for cloud phones to function correctly. Once the proxy is verified, the cloud phone becomes ready for use. With the proxies added and assigned, we can now move on to testing the setup across multiple cloud phone profiles. Here we have several cloud phone profiles. All cloud phones are configured with different proxies. You can also group cloud phones for easier management. Now we'll start all cloud phone profiles and compare the results across different locations. As you can see, each cloud phone runs independently and delivers different results depending on the location. With DuoPlus, you can centrally manage proxies, validate them before use, and assign them to cloud phones individually or at scale, which is critical for stable mobile account operations. It's important to note that this is a scaling tool, not a one-click bypass, and its effectiveness depends on your proxy setup and overall configuration. At Proxy-Seller, we build proxy infrastructure for projects working with large-scale data collection, analytics, and automation. Our focus is on stability, transparency, and production readiness, not quick fixes or short-term testing. If this video was useful, subscribe to the Proxy-Seller channel. Leave a like and follow for more insights on building reliable infrastructure for data and account operations. See you in the next video.